Welcome back to Creating Your Blueprint, right? We designed your future. We went through Beer Become. We now built your team in the last video. Now it's time to take all this passion for what we have and go out and tell the world. And that's what marketing is. Marketing is sharing your love for what you do with the rest of the world. So how do we do that? Well, a couple things. Number one, go back, make sure you know your why. Make sure you know exactly what you do. Those are the first two things. Because if you know why you do what you do and what you do, it's easy to go out and tell the world. You got to be really crystal clear on that. But the next part is this. You need to sit down. You need to come up with who is it that I want to raise their hand and say, yes, I'm your perfect client. You, literally, if it's just you, do it yourself. If you have a team, do it with your team. Sit down and write out, 6'2" brown hair, whatever it is, right? Interests, hobbies, everything. Write down everything. Because if you find your ideal client, you know who you're marketing to. Next, know the different marketing things that exist out there. Listen, I would love to spend a whole bunch of hours with you and teach you every one of these marketing techniques. I can't, right? If you want one of us to coach you, right, I'll talk about that in the next video. There's companies out there that are absolutely amazing, and I'll even share some of those companies with you. GKIC was a great company that I looked at. Ryan Deiss has a great company out there with digital marketing. Market Domination is a great marketing company that's out there. There's so many great marketing companies that if you need help, right, it's a good idea to use one of them to get going. But there's so many techniques. So let me share with you some of the things, because marketing, as I know it, marketing is a numbers game. If I want X number of new clients, and I know there's X number of techniques that I know how to use, or at least I know the people that can help me use those, right? And I know each technique produces X number of new clients. It's just a numbers game. You should never be short of new clients if you're following a system, which in the next video we'll talk more about systems. But right now you have to know the different marketing techniques. So let's talk about them. There's postcards. Postcards that we can send out for the cherry pickers, the people who just want to know you're there so they can come get you when they need you. There's postcards for lead generation, to send people to a landing page to get information so that when they need you, they can find you, or they can find more about you, right? Then lead generation, right? You want to talk about lead generation? Emails, Facebook, Twitter, Google Ads, LinkedIn, mailings. There's so many different ways to get people to go to a landing page, right? Which you need to know how to do a landing page, right? And if you don't know how to do a landing page, please go to one of the companies I mentioned before and have them make you landing pages, so that people can go to really specific sites, not your main website, but specific sites, and they can get some information from you, find out a little bit more about you, right? So you've got to do lead generation. You also, Facebook ads are where it's at right now. Whether you're business to business or business to consumer, it doesn't matter. Facebook ads. You can go into Facebook ads. You can say, this is who I want. They have to like doing this. They have to, live here. You can tell them everything you want about your ideal client. Facebook will help you get it. You got to write copy. You're going to write some of the best copy. If you sat down, you said, hi, this is who I am, this is my passion. If you said, if you're an entrepreneur and et cetera, and if you have these problems, if you come up with the problems that your ideal client would have, then we're the solution and this is why. Just exactly what I just said. You wrote that on a piece of paper. I got to tell you, some of the best marketing that exists is when I sit down and I just write, my name's Corey Melnikoff. Right? My purpose is to inspire, educate, and empower as many people as possible to live healthier, happier, and more fulfilled lives. Right? I do that by showing people my 5-system approach, and if you're an entrepreneur looking to grow your business and grow your life, then I can help. Stop worrying about the ups and downs of businesses up and down. I'll show you the system to keep it up there. Right? And I'm not scripted. I got no script, right? I've got just random notes written down here. I've got no script. Marketing, sometimes the most amazing marketing, the best response I've ever gotten, is if you just really are honest and true to from your heart, you wear your passion on your sleeve and let people know. Write it down and mail it out. I'll write something like that. I'll mail it to my current clients and say, by the way, I love working with you, and I bet you hang out with people that are like you. I'd love to meet them. And here's how I could meet them, and I'd love your help. And I got to tell you, they'll listen. One of the greatest ways to get referrals, right? There's telemarketing if you need to get your word out there really, really fast. You can do talks in your business to your current clients and their friends and family, or out in the world, right? In different places like the chamber. There's advertisements. You can put ads anywhere. Forget the newspaper and radio, which you can do. You can put an ad on a freaking grocery cart nowadays. You can put them anywhere, right? People are literally putting those magnets on their cars to advertise companies. It's amazing, right? There's networking groups. Networking groups work for every single business, every single time if you know how to network. If you don't know how to network, you should find out. You should look up someone like Gail Page. She's amazing at networking, right? Or you can talk to us about coaching you, but you've got to be great. You must have a referral system in place because your best clients are the people that you want to replicate because you love working for them and you show up your best. You must have a system in place, right? Whether it's in your business or out of your business, there's so many different marketing techniques. Marketing is a numbers game. There's 1,000 techniques. Don't pretend you can't find the new clients that you need because you can. Put the effort in. Marketing is sharing your love for what you do with the world. Get out there. Go try some of those techniques. Go hire the companies to get your word out there because you owe it to the world to help them. A couple of days, I'll talk to you about systems for intentional success.